Are you aware of your attitude when it comes to being healthy or having healthier habits? Well, if not, that may be one of the things that stop you from being able to lose weight or just improve your health all around. In case you don't know me, my name is Jason Cheney, and I specialize in helping people understand the value of a plant-based diet and how it can help them lose weight, but most importantly, how to start addressing your self-image when it comes to your food home. And so, what is your attitude towards getting health? That's the title of this video. And really think about that, because most of us think like, oh, I have a great attitude. I have a positive attitude when it comes to health or wanting to be healthy. But the truth is we usually have a negative attitude. And most of this comes from our environment, our family, our friends, and the people closest to us. And a lot of times we don't have much control over it because we've never been taught, especially through regular public schooling or even colleges and stuff like this, that our attitude is the one of the few things that we have complete control over. And it's one of the things that has the most impact on our life. If you listen to Earl Nightingale, the recording, The Magic Word, he talks about how our attitude not only is a reflection of who we are, but it's a reflection of the environment around us also. And so really think about it. When it comes to trying to be healthy, do you have a positive attitude towards it, or are you negative towards it? Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. In the past, when I was 550 plus pounds, I thought I had a positive attitude when it came to being healthy. But the truth was, I was very negative. I was horribly negative. And that's why I was 550 plus pounds, because I was negative towards being healthy. And just to give you an example, like I used to lie to myself all the time saying like, oh, I'm eating healthy, I'm doing this healthy. And I didn't have any healthy habits whatsoever. I wasn't exercising. I wasn't moving around any. If you know me, and my definition of exercise is just moving around, doing regular everyday things. Like I would literally park in a handicapped parking spot because I didn't want to walk any extra steps. That's how lazy I was. I had a very lazy attitude when it comes to being healthy. And once I started changing that and started discovering, like, as my attitude changed, my health started improving also. I started realizing, looking at other people around me who wasn't getting the health that they want, it was a lot based on their attitude, because their attitude was actually controlling what they eat. Their attitude was controlling what they felt they couldn't eat. Like so many people tell me every day, like, oh, I would die if I couldn't eat meat. I would die if I couldn't eat cheese. And that is a lie. You would not die. I'm living proof of it. I've been 6 years now, well, 5.5 years, almost 6, of not eating meat or cheese. And I have not dropped dead once yet. And so this is one of the things that when it comes to the attitude, is start changing it. Start just trying to be a little bit better. Instead of saying what you can't do, start saying, okay, I can try this. I can do a little bit of this. Try eating a little bit more vegetables each and every day. Try just getting more vegetables on your plate each and every day. Eat an apple every day. The old saying, an apple a day keep the doctor away, but how many of us are actually doing that? The truth is, mostly none of us are doing it. And so that's how we want to start actually approaching our attitude. And if you start doing these little tiny steps, you'll start seeing after a month, after 2-3 months. And once you get to a year, you're nowhere near the same person that you once was. But most importantly, you're nowhere near the health or being as fat as you once was also. And like, this is how important this is. And so if you like this type of content, make sure you hit the like button. And you can see more of this type of content on my YouTube channel, where I have a lot more things on there. I have different shorts and things that you can just watch throughout the day, just to help start changing your attitude and being more positive about your health. Because look, we've all been born into the sick care system. We've been raised since birth seeing family members just sick, family members not getting any better. They're just continually taking pill after pill, and it doesn't get them any results. Like, we have to stop living this crazy life of thinking doing the exact same thing that our family has been doing throughout generations is going to change. And if we're wanting to really start changing some of these generational diseases, we have to stop being the same way as our generation. Like I tell people each and every day, and I don't say this from a bragging point, I don't have any of the issues that my family members have. I don't have any of those worries that my family members have. And it's because I refuse to keep living the same type of life that they live. I don't eat the same way they live. I don't have the same attitude towards health that they have. I don't believe in the same things that they believe in anymore. And until you start changing your belief system and your attitude, you're going to continue down the same path. And so I hope you got some value from this. Make sure you hit the like button. And if you like to see this more of this type of content, just make sure you click the link up above or below, depending where it is on your screen, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There I have about 300 to 400 videos on there where you can see a lot more stuff, and it's easier to see and you can actually just pause and replay however you like. So have a great day, stay supercharged, and I'll see you tomorrow.